The 2025 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a stunning return of an American luxury icon, blending classic elegance with modern technology. Cadillac has reimagined the DeVille nameplate for a new era, bringing back the bold presence, premium comfort, and powerful performance that made it a legend. With a sleek, streamlined body, signature vertical LED lighting, and a long, imposing stance, the DeVille Coupe commands attention on the road. Chrome accents, a sculpted grille, and a low-slung roofline give it a sophisticated yet aggressive appeal, making it a true head-turner. Under the hood, the 2025 DeVille Coupe offers a twin-turbocharged 4.2L V8 engine producing an estimated 550 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration and a smooth, commanding ride. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, this coupe delivers the perfect balance of power and refinement. An optional all-electric version is also in the works, featuring a cutting-edge Ultium battery system with an impressive range of over 400 miles per charge. Advanced magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension provide an ultra-smooth driving experience, whether you're cruising the highway or gliding through city streets. Inside, the DeVille Coupe is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and a panoramic glass roof create an open and elegant atmosphere. The cabin is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including a massive OLED curved display, augmented reality navigation, and Cadillac's next-generation Super Cruise for hands-free highway driving. The rear seats, though designed for occasional passengers, offer the same level of comfort and craftsmanship as the front, making every journey a first-class experience. The latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a 40-speaker AKG premium audio system transforms the interior into a concert hall on wheels. Climate-controlled massaging seats, ambient lighting, and a fragrance diffusion system enhance the feeling of pure indulgence. Cadillac has also equipped the DeVille Coupe with an advanced suite of safety features, including 360-degree cameras, night vision, and automatic emergency braking. With a starting price of around $90,000, the 2025 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is set to redefine American luxury coupes, competing with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe and BMW 8 Series. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of prestige and power. Cadillac has successfully revived an icon, blending nostalgia with the future in a way only they can. If you love classic American luxury with a modern twist, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more exclusive content. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 DeVille Coupe over a European luxury coupe?